Hello guys, welcome to my channel Global Information. Today we will discuss about Uber accident attorney lawyer. Uh, First of all, we can see that what to do after an Uber accident. When we take a chance of Uber accident, do what I have. Do I have a case? What is my case? What does it cost? Common questions we will discuss in this video. Now starting, ride sharing service like Uber have become more popular in recent years. It's simple to hop in the car and not have to worry about getting to your destination. But what happens if the driver of your Uber gets into an accident? If you have been injured in an Uber accident as a passenger or otherwise, you could have a case and be entitled to an Uber lawsuit settlement. Call the experienced Uber accident attorney at H. Sander and Associate at 412 668 5376 to get a free case review. Now, then what happens if you are in an accident with Uber? Accidents happen all the time, but Uber accidents are confusing due to complicated insurance coverages. Because if you are a passenger in an Uber vehicle and an accident happens, your driver's personal car insurance most likely won't be enough to cover your injuries. Even if your driver was at fault for the accident, the insurance company or Uber itself may resist paying the claim. If you were injured in an Uber accident, seek medical help immediately. Getting medical assistance can do two things for your case. First of all, your medical provider will get you the treatment you need so that you can heal quickly. Second, you will have a documented record of your injuries if you have decided to file a personal injury claim. After an Uber accident, we recommend hiring an experienced attorney to help deal with complicated Uber insurance policies. Below are a few different scenarios where the Uber insurance coverage changes. The Uber driver had the app off. Uber drivers rely on their own personal car insurance when they are not using the car for work purposes. The Uber app is switched off. If Uber driver faces an accident while not having the app running, there are no own personal car insurance will cover them. The Uber drivers has the app on but has no one in their vehicle. When the Uber driver is using their car for work, Uber then offers supplemental liability insurance on top of the driver's own personal auto insurance. If the Uber driver is shown as possible available on the app but is not talking a passenger at the time of an accident, primary personal car insurance is used first. Uber then offers liability coverage up to $50 per injury, maximum $100 coverage, and $25,000 property damages demand. This kind of coverage only in if your driver requests and their own personal car insurance does not cover everything. But we can say that Uber drivers has the app on and is carrying a passenger. Uber provides coverage for up to $1 million if the accident happens when the driver is at fault and tying a passenger. The policy also applies to any injured third party like other vehicle occupants and the passenger of an biker and the road. The insurance is used first, and then the liability coverage will start covering the rest. Uninsured or underinsured coverage with Uber accident can also be caused by driver who don't have car insurance or don't have enough. If you are in an accident in an Uber and it's caused by another driver without insurance, uninsured and underinsured insurance like coverage can help protect you and the Uber driver. Uber carries 1 million in uninsured and underinsured coverage for situations like this. Remember, Uber driver insurance can change quickly with the tap of on app. If the Uber app is off while someone is driving, then a passenger of third party is only protected by that driver personal car insurance. Once the Uber app turned on, the supplemental liability coverage kicks the $1 million. Unsure what to do after your Uber accident? Get to touch with the Uber experienced Uber attorney today at Ajay Sider Associate by calling 412 668 5376. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.